The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not prohibit using a larger wire gauge than required for a specific circuit. Using 10/2 wire on a 20 amp circuit is not a violation. The primary concern in electrical wiring is ensuring that the wire gauge is sufficient to handle the circuit's current. A 20 amp circuit requires a wire gauge that is rated for at least 20 amps. 12/2 wire is commonly used because it meets this requirement. 10/2 wire has a higher ampacity than 12/2 wire. For example, according to NEC Table 310.16, a typical 12 American wire gauge, or AUG, copper conductor, rated for 75 degrees Celsius, has an ampacity of 25 amps, while a 10 AWG copper conductor, also rated for 75 degrees Celsius, has an ampacity of 30 amps. Using a larger wire gauge provides a greater safety margin and can reduce voltage drop over long distances. The overcurrent protection device, such as a circuit breaker, protects the wiring. The circuit breaker is rated at 20 amps. It will trip if the current exceeds that level, regardless of the wire gauge. The larger wire can handle the 20 amps continuously without overheating. The NEC focuses on minimum requirements for safety. It does not restrict the use of components that exceed those minimums, as long as they do not introduce other hazards. Firstly, conductor ampacity. The NEC specifies minimum ampacity requirements for conductors based on the circuit's overcurrent protection. Secondly, overcurrent protection. The circuit breaker or fuse protects the wiring from overloads and short circuits. It must be sized appropriately for the circuit and the connected loads. Thirdly, voltage drop. Using a larger wire gauge can reduce voltage drop, especially on long circuit runs. This improves the performance and efficiency of connected equipment. Fourthly, future capacity. Using a larger wire gauge can provide extra capacity for future expansion or increased loads. Fifthly, cost considerations. Larger wire gauges are more expensive than smaller ones. The decision to use a larger wire gauge should consider the cost versus the benefits. Consider a situation where a circuit is run a long distance from the electrical panel to a load. Using 12/2 wire might result in a significant voltage drop, causing the equipment to operate inefficiently or even malfunction. In this case, using 10/2 wire would reduce the voltage drop and improve performance. Another situation is when planning for future upgrades. If there is a possibility that the circuit will need to handle a larger load in the future, using 10/2 wire would provide the necessary capacity without requiring rewiring. The NEC provides specific requirements for conductor sizing in Article 310. It details the ampacity of different wire gauges and insulation types. It also includes correction factors for ambient temperature and the number of conductors in a raceway. These factors can affect the ampacity of the conductors and must be considered when determining the appropriate wire gauge. The NEC also addresses the installation of conductors in Article 300. It covers topics such as wiring methods, conductor identification, and protection against physical damage. Following these requirements ensures a safe and reliable electrical installation. When working on electrical systems, it's essential to follow all applicable codes and regulations. This includes the NEC, as well as any local amendments or requirements. A qualified electrician should be consulted if there are any questions or concerns about the electrical installation. Incorrect wiring or improper component selection can create safety hazards such as electrical shock or fire. It is important to use the correct tools and equipment for the job and to follow all safety precautions. This includes turning off the power to the circuit before working on it and using appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and safety glasses. Electrical wiring is a critical part of any building's infrastructure. Proper installation and maintenance are essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of the electrical system. The NEC provides the guidelines and requirements for safe electrical installations. Familiarize yourself with these requirements and follow them carefully. The use of 10/2 wire on a 20 amp circuit is acceptable and does not violate the NEC. The larger wire gauge provides a greater safety margin and can improve the performance of the circuit. Remember to always follow all applicable codes and regulations when working on electrical systems. Always consult a qualified electrician if there are any questions or concerns. The NEC is a comprehensive document that covers all aspects of electrical installations. It is updated regularly to reflect changes in technology and best practices. Staying current with the latest edition of the NEC is important for anyone working in the electrical industry. The NEC is not a set of rigid rules but a set of guidelines designed to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. It is important to understand the intent behind the code requirements and to apply them appropriately to each specific situation. The NEC allows for some flexibility in design and installation. However, it is important to ensure that any deviations from the code are justified and do not compromise safety. The NEC provides specific requirements for grounding and bonding of electrical systems. Grounding and bonding are essential for preventing electrical shock and ensuring the proper operation of overcurrent protection devices. The NEC also addresses the installation of electrical equipment in hazardous locations. Hazardous locations are areas where there is a risk of explosion or fire due to the presence of flammable gases, vapors, or dusts. Special wiring methods and equipment are required in these locations to prevent ignition. The NEC includes detailed requirements for wiring methods such as conduit, cable, and raceways. The choice of wiring method depends on the application and the environment. The NEC also addresses the installation of electrical boxes and enclosures. Electrical boxes and enclosures protect wiring and connections from physical damage and provide a safe enclosure for electrical components. The NEC provides specific requirements for the spacing and support of electrical conductors. Proper spacing and support prevent conductors from overheating and ensure that they are not subject to excessive stress. The NEC also addresses the installation of lighting fixtures and appliances. Lighting fixtures and appliances must be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and the NEC requirements. The NEC includes requirements for the installation of swimming pools and spas. Swimming pools and spas pose a unique electrical hazard due to the presence of water. Special wiring methods and equipment are required to prevent electrical shock. The NEC also addresses the installation of solar photovoltaic or PV systems. Solar PV systems generate electricity from sunlight. The NEC includes requirements for the safe installation and operation of these systems. The NEC is a complex and detailed document. It is important to have a thorough understanding of the code requirements before working on electrical systems. Always consult a qualified electrician if there are any questions or concerns. When selecting wire gauge, consider the ampacity, voltage drop, and the environment in which the wire will be installed. The ampacity of the wire must be sufficient to handle the circuit's current. Voltage drop should be minimized to ensure that the equipment operates efficiently. The wire must be suitable for the environment in which it will be installed, such as wet or corrosive locations. When installing electrical wiring, use the correct tools and equipment for the job. This includes wire strippers, crimpers, and conduit benders. Follow all safety precautions and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Always turn off the power to the circuit before working on it. Inspect the wiring regularly for any signs of damage or deterioration. Replace any damaged wiring immediately. Keep electrical panels and equipment clean and free of obstructions. This will help to prevent overheating and ensure that the equipment operates safely. The NEC is a living document that is constantly being updated to reflect changes in technology and best practices. Stay current with the latest edition of the NEC and follow all applicable codes and regulations. Remember, safety is the most important consideration when working on electrical systems. Always prioritize safety and consult a qualified electrician if there are any questions or concerns. Using a large wire gauge, like 10/2 on a 20 amp circuit, isn't a violation and offers benefits like reduced voltage drop.